But family violence does not have to include obvious physical injuries, all right? Things like slapping the keys out of someone's hand so they can't leave. That is family violence. Trying to snatch their phone out of their hand is family violence. Blocking the door so they can't leave, whether they're in a bedroom and you're having an altercation and they stand in the door so you can't leave the room, that's family violence in Texas. Um, Likewise, standing in the door so they can't get out of the house or the apartment. There's even a case out there that I'm familiar with where the abuser unplugged the garage door opener so the victim could not get in her car and leave the house. Family violence. So, family violence is the obvious things that we think of, but it's also much, much smaller things. And all of that, if you are a victim of those things, you need to let your lawyer know when you're talking about a divorce. Okay. Now, family violence in Texas, there's a couple of ways we would address it. So obviously in our business, one of the questions we're going to ask when you very first call is, are you safe? Are the children safe? Because we want to know if you're in a crisis right this second in a violent situation so that we can get you in right away. But it also affects how things figure out long term. If the family court determines that family violence has occurred by one of the spouses, one of the parents, that parent can't be a managing conservator of the children. So that changes the long term rights and duties of the parents because of a family violence case that may have happened before the divorce was ever filed.